Welcome to the new lecture. In the previous lecture, we discussed about engineering, science and technology and what are the differences among them. In this lecture, we will discuss about engineering disciplines, what are the options available for the prospective engineering students in engineering field. Then we will discuss about engineering team. The team comprises of engineers, technicians, technologists and craftsmen. We will also discuss about the functions of engineers, and then we will discuss about attributes of engineer, that what are the common attributes that engineers should have at the time of graduation. Then we will discuss about career path of engineers, that what are the options available for the graduate engineer to adopt in the engineering profession. What are the options? So all these things we will discuss in this lecture. Starting from the engineering disciplines. What is discipline? A specific area practiced by an engineer. So we have various disciplines mentioned in this slide. They do overlap when they are working on a specific project, which include mechanical engineers, civil engineers, industrial engineers, even agriculture engineer, material engineer, manufacturing engineers. So they work in collaboration and the disciplines may overlap. There are several subcategories under each of the major heading. So the major engineering disciplines are electrical engineering, mechanical, civil, chemical, industrial, automobile engineering, aerospace engineering and so on. All the other engineering discipline has been listed in this slide. In each major discipline heading we have further subcategories. For example, in mechanical engineering we have the option to adopt to continue postgraduate studies in material engineering, in manufacturing engineering, in engineering and dynamics. So these are the options available for the engineers to continue or to do his research to adopt it further. Starting from the civil engineering, it is the most oldest engineering discipline in the engineering profession. It is already discussed in the history of engineering that most of the earliest engineers work on the civil engineering applications. They are concerned with the construction and building homes, bridges, tunnels, dams and sewerage system, airports, harbors. So civil engineering is a very broad field of engineering and it includes major specialized area of practice where civil engineers can adopt during profession, which include geodetic engineering, geotechnical engineering, hydraulic and water resource engineering, which is being discussed in this slide. Also we have other area of practice which a civil engineer can adopt and do his work or his research work. Geodetic engineering is concerned with the measurement or measuring and mapping of the earth's surface, that is location, elevation and alignment. Geotechnical engineering in the civil engineering is concerned with the structure, behavior and strength of soil. Also they study rocks. Hydraulic and water resource engineering in the field of civil engineering is concerned with the study of flow of water through ditches, conduits, canals and dams. Next is electrical engineering. So electrical engineers work with the electricity, electromagnetic fields, lights. They design different products which include antennas, television and electrical appliances, also cell phones, computers. They design power generation plants, transmission and distribution system. Electrical engineers usually work in one of the 6 specialty areas, that is power generation and transmission, electronics, communication system, instrumentation and measurement, automatic control. Also they can work on the computers, its designing, etc. Electronics engineer. So electrical, in the previous slide, electrical engineers, they work on the equipments which is concerned with the higher voltages and higher currents, while electronics engineer, they work on the components or parts or appliances that operate with the low voltages and low currents. The idea is with the emission of the electronic engineering is concerned with the emission, behavior and effect of electrons. They also concerned with the designing efficient circuitry using a variety of the electric components or electronic components for the amplification and production and detection and rectification purposes. They use transistors, semiconductor diodes, integrated circuits, resistors and other electronic components to produce or to control the electronic or electrical signals. Computer engineering is relatively a new and rapidly growing engineering discipline with extraordinary challenges and opportunities. Computer engineers are responsible to invent hardware and software designs and the tool to develop these integrated circuit or IC chips. Today's world is full of miracles because of the computer technology and major inventions, and the possibility of different technology is due to the computer technology or due to computer engineers. They work on this field and they makes the technology possible. Mechanical engineering, which is called the mother of all engineering discipline, they are concerned with the design and manufacturing of the machinery and different production methods. They design and build or manufacture turbines, printing presses, food processor and conditioning and refrigeration system, locomotives, transportation vehicles. Also they design different vehicles for lifting and moving loads, goods and to transport people, and also they produce energy from other resources and also convert it to other form of energies. Mechanical engineers work in multidisciplinary. They work in aeronautical industry, automobile industry, aerospace industries, materials, thermofluids, dynamics and control, mechanical engineering design, etc. Chemical engineering. Chemical engineers work in the fertilizer industry, paint industry, lubricants, pharmaceutical and cosmetic industry, petroleum products and food. Chemical engineers work in the area where the chemical reactions are involved, which include chlorination, polymerization, oxidation and reduction, mixing, crushing, grinding, sizing and filtering. Industrial engineering, industrial engineers can work in one of the mentioned 4 categories. They can design the plant layout to increase productivity. They also increase the worker productivity. They also control and the quality of the products produced in the industry. They are concerned with the cost, the reduction of the cost and controlling of the cost involved with that particular manufactured product in the industry. So industrial engineers can work in one of the 4 categories. Also there are other categories where industrial engineers can work. Also we have other engineering discipline or engineering areas which a prospective engineer can adopt in the field of engineering profession, which include mechatronics engineering, mining engineering, agriculture engineering, etc., which can be adopted by the prospective engineers. Next topic is engineering team. So engineering team comprised of engineers, technologists, technician and craftsmen. Engineer is the leader of the engineering team who serves as innovator, designer and decision maker, and the education qualification of the engineers is BSc, which is a 4-degree engineering program, or the 4-year degree program. They are concerned with the conceptual design, research, project planning, product innovation, system development, and most importantly, engineers supervise technologists, technician and craftsmen. Engineering technologist who assist the engineering, the planning, construction and operation of engineering facility. They are concerned with the routine product development, construction, supervision, technical sales, hardware design and development, coordination of the workforce, materials and equipments. And technologist or engineering technologist supervise technician and craftsmen, and technologists itself work under the leadership of the engineers. Engineering technician, they are diploma holders. They are specialists in methodology devoted to the accomplishment of the practical objectives. Typical activities of technician includes drafting, estimating, field inspections, data collection, surveying, and technical writing. And mostly technical writing is done by the engineers or technologist, but in some areas technician also do this activity of technical writing. So technicians normally have been trained in a 2 years program in engineering technology, leading to an associate degree. Craftsmen are skilled worker who produce the material and products or facilities specified by the design. Such specialists include electrician, carpenters, welders, machinists, and model builders. Craftsmen normally acquire their skills by on-the-job training. Their education qualification typically does not extend beyond the high school. Thank you. This was all about this lecture. In the coming lecture, we will discuss the function of engineers, the career paths of engineers. Also, we will discuss about the attributes that engineers should have at the time of graduation.